for us, for Juventud, being the leading association at Esade and one of the biggest Spanish junior enterprises, it's an honor to be able to celebrate such an enriching and big event as the Innovation Quest, this year with up to 300 participants. It's really, really rewarding for us to be able to be in contact with 12 leading companies in their sectors. We have companies from many different sectors, and all of them are really big and top firms.
I'm participating in Innovation Quest because I think it's a great way to get to know the real work of a consultant and work with real companies who come here and give us some issues that they have in their day-to-day. And I think it's the best way to get to know the industry from the inside.
It's a case competition between different students of different degrees of Esade. First, the companies present the cases to the students, and then the students start working in teams with different experts consultants of entity data that provide support for the students. When the solutions and the cases are solved, the students present these solutions to the companies. Finally, the companies choose a winner of the different cases. Each company have a different winner, and the winners have different prizes.
For participants, the main takeaways we have given in this huge event is the possibility to work as a consultant for our company in the top sectors.
Well, we see BRE, we are participating in Innovation Quest here in Esade because we're always seeking for the best talent out there, and we always look forward to find the best people and the best partner for our business.
We are participating in the Innovation Quest because we like to hear from students the fresh ideas, new ideas that come from them, and get in touch with the new generations that are right now are far away from our main customers. So this is a way for them to get to know our company.
We're looking for teamworking, leadership, a lot of creativity, of course, and flexibility. And let me say that we are really happy with the level that we have found here in Esade.
So the key takeaways will be basically getting to talk with people that are actually working, and you get a vision of the real world and how the companies really work. Also the networking, it's incredible. You get to meet a lot of people that you wouldn't if you didn't participate in this event. And also it's just a great experience. You have loads of fun and it's really, really cool. I really encourage everyone to participate in the Innovation Quest.